You can't complain about the cold when your ancestors survived the Ice Age. Under their long, guard hairs, the musk oxen have grown a fine underwool, the warmest fiber in the world. In the dead of winter, they slow their metabolism by 30%. They're the ultimate Arctic survivors, staying slow to stay alive. The Ellesmere wolf pack made it through the winter. They got 4 new pups to feed. A muskox calf won't feed them all this time. Taking on an adult is high risk. But the alpha knows there's no other choice. In 24-hour daylight, there's nowhere to hide. So the pack stalks downwind to hide their scent. Like before, the fastest split the herd and single out a weak adult. But this time, the rest of the pack closes in. It's an ancient battle between 2 heroes of the frozen north. And the pups, they're learning the art of the hunt through their elders. Thanks to the alpha's leadership, the pack will thrive on the Arctic edge of America.